In today's video, I'm going to share a secret that many people don't realize. There are things that make women more sensitive, and they prefer to hide them. And you know what's most interesting? When you understand these things, you can win their hearts without much effort. Ready to discover this together? Let's go. First weakness: a man who does what he says. You know that person you trust because they always keep their promises? That's it. Women love that. They're drawn to men who prove through their actions that they're genuine. It's not enough to just talk nicely, you have to act. For instance, if you want to show that you're interesting and likable, share moments with friends on social media. This shows you have value and are trustworthy. Simple, right? Show who you are with actions, not just words. Second weakness: a confident man. You know that person who always seems calm and secure in what they do? That's incredibly attractive. Many women have their own insecurities, so when they meet someone confident, they feel more connected. To show confidence, speak firmly, listen more than you talk, and most importantly, learn to say no when necessary. This makes you seem more decisive and even a bit mysterious, which only increases your value in their eyes. Third weakness: a man who dreams big. Women adore men who have the drive to grow and don't settle for less. It's not just about having money, it's about showing that you have goals, dreams, and the determination to work for them. Start with simple ideas, like creating a project or thinking of something new to do. When women see that you're focused and always striving to improve, it gives the impression of someone determined and full of potential. Who wouldn't be charmed by that? Fourth weakness: a touch of the bad boy. It's not about being a problematic guy, but there's something about bad boys that catches attention. They're confident, self-assured, and not always available. This combination creates an air of mystery and excitement that many women find hard to resist. The idea here is to learn to balance it. Be confident but don't cling too much. Show that you have your own life, and that will make you seem even more interesting. Fifth weakness: being a little hard to get. It might sound strange, but sometimes not giving a woman too much attention right away can make her more curious about you. When you treat her naturally, like anyone else, or don't show immediate interest, it can spark her pride and intrigue. But be careful, it's not about being rude or disrespectful. It's just about creating a slight sense of mystery that makes everything more engaging. Sixth weakness: a man surrounded by women. It may sound simple, but it works. When a woman sees that other women like you, it increases your attractiveness. It's not about showing off, but interacting with your female friends and demonstrating that you're well socialized can make other women feel more drawn to you. This happens because the idea of pre-selection suggests that if other women are interested in you, there must be something special about you. And who isn't attracted to someone like that? Seventh weakness: a man who smells good. Smell is incredibly powerful. Women are very attracted to men who have good hygiene and wear a pleasant fragrance. It doesn't have to be anything extravagant, but taking care of your appearance and choosing quality products makes a big difference. When you smell good, you not only catch attention but also leave a lasting impression. After all, who doesn't love someone who smells amazing? Eighth weakness: masculinity. Men with strong masculine traits, like a fit body, a deep voice, and confidence, naturally catch women's attention. These qualities give off an impression of strength and protection, which triggers a natural instinct in them. It's not about being rude or over the top, but showing that you're secure in who you are. This can be very attractive and make women feel more drawn to you. Ninth weakness: passion. When you talk with enthusiasm about something you truly love, it's contagious. Showing passion for a hobby, a project, or even your life goals creates a strong emotional connection and makes a woman see you differently. Passion conveys intensity and sincerity, which are super attractive. She might not only be drawn to what you do, but also to the energy and emotion you put into it. 10th weakness: emotional intelligence. Men who know how to handle their own emotions and understand women's feelings are much more attractive. It makes all the difference. Being a good listener, showing empathy, and knowing how to create special moments can win her heart. When you understand what she's feeling and respond thoughtfully, it builds a deep and genuine connection. 11th weakness: consistency in words. Keeping your promises is one of the most attractive things you can do. When you speak little but follow through on what you say, women notice that they can trust you. Being someone who keeps their promises shows that you're serious and reliable, which adds weight to your words. So instead of making too many promises, focus on doing more and letting your actions speak for you. 12th weakness, mystery. Maintaining a bit of mystery is super attractive. When you don't reveal everything about yourself right away, women become more curious and want to learn more. This creates a sense of intrigue and makes them work harder to get to know you. It's not about being closed off, but about leaving some secrets in the air, which makes things much more interesting. 13th weakness, social connections. Men with a strong network of friends and connections are seen as more interesting and powerful. When you surround yourself with influential people and maintain good relationships with them, it increases your value in the eyes of women. It's not just about being around important people, but about cultivating friendships and networks that genuinely add to your life. This makes you stand out and appear more attractive. 14th weakness, scarcity. Men who aren't always available have higher perceived value. When you're busy with your own life and have your own projects, women tend to value you more. This happens because when you do give attention, they know it's something special. It's not about being distant, but about showing that you have a full, interesting life, which will make them want your time and attention even more. 15th weakness, power. Women have always been drawn to men who stand out and take on important responsibilities. Power is associated with confidence, leadership, and the ability to make decisions. Having a clear vision of what you want in life and pursuing a solid purpose makes you appear strong and capable. Show your power through actions, demonstrating that you're determined and know what you're doing. This impresses and attracts. 16th weakness, financial security. While it's not everything, many women value financial stability because it brings a sense of security. This doesn't mean you need to be wealthy, but it's essential to show that you're responsible with money and know how to manage your finances. It's not about spending everything to impress, but about demonstrating that you can provide a stable foundation. This builds trust and attracts those seeking a secure and balanced relationship. 17th weakness, ambition. Men who are always striving to grow, improve, and achieve new goals are very attractive to women who value growth and a vision for the future. Ambition goes beyond appearances. It shows that you have a purpose and are willing to work for it. These qualities, confidence, consistency, ambition, and even a touch of mystery, not only increase your attractiveness but also strengthen the connections you create. In other words, what truly captivates is who you are and what you're building, not just what you show. 18th weakness, validation. Imagine you look at a plate of food and don't just notice one part of it but appreciate the entire dish. The same goes for observing a woman. When you appreciate her as a whole, you value her more. When you look at her from head to toe, with confidence and without rushing, she'll feel that she attracts you, which makes her feel more beautiful and appreciated. This type of gaze conveys respect and boosts her confidence. The problem arises when you focus too much on one specific part of her body. Staring at only one standout area can make her uncomfortable, as it might seem like you don't see her as a whole person. To make the most of this weakness, the need to feel validated, look at her with assurance, appreciate her full presence, and make her feel even more special. 19th weakness, ambition. Women are highly attracted to men who don't remain stagnant. They love men with vision, big goals, and who always strive for the best. This type of man doesn't settle for what he has now but works to be someone who adds value to others, whether in work, personal life, or relationships. This man isn't attractive just for what he has today but for what he knows he can achieve in the future. Women admire this attitude of always striving for growth, and big projects and dreams make you much more interesting in their eyes. The ambition to achieve more and become better makes you stand out and inspires admiration. 20th weakness, money. When a woman realizes you have money, she sees that you have the ability to meet her needs. She understands that, at the very least, she can count on you for things like beauty treatments, shopping, dining, and other everyday concerns. Women, by instinct, don't want to take risks with just any man, so if you can guarantee these basic needs, it becomes easier to earn her trust. She will see you as financially secure, which brings an appealing social status compared to other men. This doesn't mean women are gold diggers. Rather, they seek security, and we know money plays a significant role in that. How to use this to your advantage? Have financial reserves. Regardless of the circumstances, always keep some of your money saved. Resist pressure. Since she knows you have money, there might be pressure for you to spend. However, if you spend everything to satisfy her every whim, you risk losing her respect. Say no when necessary. Don't meet all her demands. This ensures you continue providing the financial security she seeks without losing control of the situation.